The number one pet peeve I have with smoothie bowls is that they're never thick enough. So I'm gonna show you how to make 3 smoothie bowls that are extra thick for weight loss. I'm Mai from MyHealthyDish, and let's get started. I have this frozen pack of Acai, I cannot pronounce this to save my life. Acai, which is a low sugar superfood fruit. And my trick to making this extra thick, some oats, and we're gonna add some coconut water. And we don't want too much liquid. So we want that thick smoothie bowl, and 1 cup, 1 scoop plant-based protein. And let's blend. Don't worry about all the measurements. I will have that in the description for you. Let's turn this on to bowl. Voila. That was nice and quick. This thing sure sticks. Let's see how thick this is. That looks pretty thick to me. Time for our toppings. Strawberries, blueberries, lastly our chia seeds. Next smoothie bowl is a green smoothie bowl. Start with 1 small avocado or half a large avocado. And then I have frozen banana. I brewed this green tea in advance so it's nice and cold. Just a splash, not too much liquid. The more liquid we have, the runnier our smoothies will be. And some matcha. I love the smell of matcha. It smells like the earth. And then 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder. And press our bowl option. Let's move this aside. Oh yeah. That looks so pretty inside. The way you know if a smoothie bowl is thick enough, if you stick a spoon in there and it doesn't fall out. So that's pretty thick. Okay, so now for our toppings. Let's slice some fresh banana. And some kiwi. It's a green smoothie, so we want something green. And hemp hearts. It's good protein, good fat, lots of fiber. And there you have a thick green smoothie bowl. This is for my chocolate peanut butter lovers. This is my all-time favorite for making peanut butter chocolate smoothie bowl. First, we need our base of frozen bananas. Instead of protein powder, we're doing Greek yogurt. And a splash of almond milk. I'm gonna do like half a cup and some cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa powder. And that is our chocolate. Don't worry, I will add the peanut butter after. You guys know the routine now. Put it in, press smoothie, move my hair aside. Move this aside now. Nice and thick. Perfect consistency. And for our toppings, I promised you peanut butter. This is my homemade peanut butter. It's a little thick. Some shaved dark chocolate, and some sliced banana. I want more banana. Do I want? No! No! And there you have a chocolate peanut butter thick smoothie. When making your smoothie bowls, we want 3 components. We want a good amount of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. For more healthy recipes, go to myhealthydish.com and don't forget to click that subscribe button.